Hello guys, welcome to our session. In this session, we will do the road note taken according to our series for English, Language and Literature, Class 9, Beehive Poem 1. This poem is written by a well-known American poet, Robert Frost. And the poem we are going to read today is a very important and a very uh, deep lasting poem. It has a lot influence over the readers. First of all, this poem has been written by poet Robert Frost. So we must know about the poet. Robert Frost was born in March 26, 1874 and died January 29, 1963 and was an American poet. He was born in San Francisco, California to journalist William Prescott Jr. and his first poem, Ma Butterfly. The gift dull outrage bitches mending walls and a very good poem. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening was also a verse or a composition of Robert Frost. He's a very well-known poet and in every classes or every aspect of English literature you will get his poem. So about the poem we must enter and more you want if you want more analysis of the poet I have given the information. Even if you want very much, then I will make another series about all the poets and authors of prose and poem both. So about the poem, this poem Robert Frost has written because while in his life there came a problem in his life that there were two roads to take. Means he had got himself in dilemma, a confusing situation in which he had two roads. One, the traditional poem, which was old words of writing poem, and another was modern poem. And everyone was pioneer, and sorry, everyone was not pioneer. Everyone was influenced by modern poetry, and they used to write. All the poets used to write modern style of poetry. That Robert Frost wanted to be a pioneer in that era, and so he decided to write traditional way of poetry, and that's why he also got very critics in England. So he write the poem The Dust of Snow, which we will analyze in class 10. Now we have analyzed, and that's why he had written in the poem. We will read through the stanza and we will get in that what were his feelings about the poet and what the road he chose. Now we must go to introduction of poem. This poem was published is in 1916. The poem is in 4 stanza of 5 lines each with a rhyme scheme of A B A A B. In the first poem, the road symbolizes our life. It is a metaphor for the path or the way of our life when we got in diversion and confusion. The poet tells about the path we don't choose in our life and we feel grievance, or we came into a deep what we can say in depression, that why we have not chosen this. I must have done this earlier, or I should have this done earlier. And this also celebrate is a poem of celebration of individualism. Means one's individualism means one individual has this celebration in his life, the way to opt, way to think, and way to analyze what to opt in life after a great thinking, not just about if someone says. The road not taking first stanza is given in your book and you must read it. That and very recitation is very easy, so I have just concluded the meaning so that it could be a summary and you could get the gist. The poet was walking down the road and then there was a diversion. Means in his life there came a diversion which two roads that he could travel on one road only. He stood there looking at the road in a dilemma which one to choose. Before taking a road, he wanted to make sure that it was suitable for him. And also, if you want the whole recitation poem with analysis and with my expressions also, I have made one video the previous year in this channel. I will give the link in description. It has the recitation as well as the poem in a very mellifluous voice of mine, and you would also enjoy that poem with, and many of you will get my secret, my own real pick. Now stanza 2. Moving on stanza 2. The poet keep on looking at a one path for a long time to check if it is the right path. Then he decided and started walking on the path because he felt both the paths were equally good. He felt that the path is better for him because the path had grass in them. It was grassy and wanted wear, which means it was unused, no one has walked upon. After walking on the path for some time, he realized it was wanted wear, means someone had walked earlier. He is not pioneer. Both are similar and worn out, and he thought that it would be he would be pioneer, but that wasn't so. So moving on the third stanza, he says the poet says that both the paths were similar that morning. But earlier one seemed grassy and another seemed wanted wear. Both had leaves on them and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. He decided that again he came into two diversion after opting the first road. Again he got second time the two diversion. He decided that the day he would take one path for and keep the another for another day to walk upon after he will come from the first path with full enjoyment. He knew that he could not go back on, because we know that once we have opted one life, we can't go back and we can correct our mistake that we have done. Now moving on stanza 4. Poet says in the future with a sigh that he will must repent for the way he had opted if it will not reap success to him or whatever the result he wanted. So he has chosen which were have been traveled upon by lesser one number of people, and that made all the differences in life. Means one every road that we choose in our life has a deep impact on us, has a deep legacy. We would have we must think very much to opt something before opting. Now literary devices used in the poem. The road not taken. Rhyme scheme already given in the introduction. Again, AB must note these for notes making. Symbolism. Two roads represent two or more choices in our life. Also, it could be metaphor. Anaphora repeated and at the beginning of 2, 3, and 4 lines. Alliteration wanted where verb or sound is repeating. First for F sound is repeating, this is also an alliteration. Imagery in the poem. Much of the imagery is visual as persona tells about the scenery. The path that divide in the forest are portrayed as grassy, fair, and about equally worn. Yellow woods means poem set in autumn season, as in the autumn season the leaves turn from green to yellow, they become yellowish in color, means they lack moisture, and that's why. And it is often in many poem of the English, especially in the Europe countries, the writer writes the writer or the poet writes about the autumn season, and they depict yellowish color. The yellow woods means the yellow tree or the yellow leaves. Now theme, you have understand that it is for career opting in our practical life. If we ask for theme, what was the theme, that which route to choose, means it was for the choosing which one has to choose, or one has to, everyone has this problem in life what to choose. And after choosing one path, one realizes in the future after impact of that road that I must have mistake or it had rep great success to me. Central idea of the poem is also same. The poet wants to withdraw our attention, or to gain our attention, or to draw our eye upon the situation, that we must think and very much be clear to choose our path of life. We must not keep an at a at a glance, or in a hurry we must choose something, or even we think that this is good, we must think twice and get the advice of our elders and everyone. We must ask for this, so that we could be very much clear, and we must think the draw points, the drawbacks, or the limitations of this road, what could it give me, and much questions should be asked from us our side, to get the gist or to get the summary of that, what we should do, what we must do, so that one could be very practical in life. And this poem is very important, and even my favorite one, the last year I read in class 9, and it was also very favorite poem for me. And the poetic devices and summary are already clear, and one more video I have made on the road not taken, with both presentation and mine video also, that is very good presentation. If you want just meaning, in this I have given you many practical things and many more ideas. In that I have analyzed and explained the poem very simply and in detail, that we must know. And it was very much, and for this poem is also to the point, but many things I have discussed is very much practical, and we must know this, we must analyze this. These analytics are very important for our life and career making. So and you may visit. If you don't like this video and you are unable to understand, you can go my second video on the road not taken, which I will provide you in the link as well as comment box, and I will pin the comment so that it would be easier for you to get that. So till then, thank you. And the notes making, whatever I have told you, if you want this you can write, or you can also even you can this poetic device you must write all the thing: metaphor, imagery, simile, repetition, personification. And earlier also I have given these poetic devices. These poetic devices are figure of speech, what we call alankar in Hindi. These are these aspects, and these are very important for both knowledge as well as examination point. Please jot down these in your notebook. Jot down means write down or note down in your notebook or whatever notes marking. If you want screenshot, you must take. And please guys, like the video, and please also share if you think that it would help your friends, and also be subscribed to our channel. Thank you.